So starting the test drive in this Camry hybrid here, gets up to speed pretty nicely. And I really just like how much power it has to have 200 horsepower. It's pretty quick. It's very efficient with the fuel economy, especially for a 2017 model. Now, I don't know, I wouldn't say it's as efficient as the new body style ones, but still, it's a Camry, and it drives like a Camry, feels like a Camry. Can't complain about it at all. Now, the Synergy system from Toyota is a very good system. It's pretty tried and true over the years. It's made a lot of great cars. But this one to have 47,167 miles as of now is crazy. For it to be a Camry, let alone a Camry hybrid, and be 10 years old. Brake pedal still feels pretty good, you know, as good as these can expect to be on these older Toyotas. The brake pedals for me were just never it. I had a 2018 RAV4, I could not stand the brake pedal in that thing. And then we had a 19 RAV4, the new body style, for a few days, and didn't like that brake pedal either. And I've reviewed these over the years, but I feel like Toyota's finally gotten their brake pedal down, specifically with these hybrids. I mean, the brake pedals here, because they're blended with the regen and then the friction brake, it's crazy how nice they stop. And this one does a pretty decent job, but you can still kind of feel the sponginess, if you will. Now, it's not bad, but it's one of those things that you can feel. Now, if my life depended on it, on these newer Camrys, these newer Prius, whatever, I don't know if I could tell you when regen was 100% or when the friction brakes kicked in. So it's just impressive how that works. But overall, I mean, the ride quality here is good. The sound acoustics are solid. It's just, I would not complain about this car at all. And again, that's why this was kept to be put on the pre-owned lot, because this is just, the shape this car is in is incredible. But a lot of people are going to these older cars. They're paying about what they were new, because, you know, a new Camry XLE now is 40 something. It's not what it used to be. So when you have one of these that is basically in almost new shape, has the older technology that a lot of people still like from Toyota, especially, you know, older people, it makes this a pretty good reason to buy one of these. And it still has the modern amenities of heated seats, Bluetooth, dual zone climate control. But like pretty much every Camry I've ever driven, it's a great road car. It's driving down the road very easily, very effortlessly. I'm not intimidated by this at all. And visibility wise, even with the A-pillars here, it's you can't see the hood. I can see the hood over here where the windshield wiper's not in the way, but only where it's flat. I cannot see it impeding my vision at all. Now, we don't have a sport mode here. We have an EV mode and eco mode, and basically when those are off, the standard mode. But I am gonna borderline floor this getting on the interstate here, just to show you the pickup. Here we go. Oh man, that was good. It was very, very good. Now I want to give one more huge thanks to John Roberts Toyota here in Manchester, Tennessee for allowing me to review this car today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that third link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever pre-owned vehicle you might be interested in. Now, one thing I will say, the ride on this, I mean, it's good, but this is an older car, so it could have to do with just the worn suspension parts, but this is a bit bouncier than the new body style Camrys. I'm gonna assume it's just because that's how these ride in general. And it's really, again, not uncomfortable. I can just feel the head strap here where my camera is just kind of fluctuating more than it normally would on this stretch of roadway with a new Toyota. But I mean, the car feels new, it drives new. It's just very impressive. And again, these are one of those cars you don't have to do too much to, but I can just tell by how this car drives, how it looks, the condition it's in, that this was taken care of. But I think it's a good car for this money. You know, it has all the, I shouldn't say all the bells and whistles, but for 2017, having heated seats, having dual zone climate controls, having LED running lights, I mean, it's a nice car, really nice car, especially for it to only be an XLE. But I mean, I wouldn't mind driving this thing to California and back, honestly. Without hesitation, getting 35, 40 miles a gallon probably. So I mean, just a solid car again. To be on the pre-owned market, to be in this condition, to have leather, it's nice, it's really nice. But this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2017 Toyota Camry Hybrid in the XLE trim level.